All right, so while I'm sitting here with my neck hurting and try to not be in pain, I was sitting here messing with my messing with Cadlink, and I have version 11. I don't have 12, so I have 11, and I want to show you something I found in 11. I didn't even know it was there until I actually started looking for it. But part of it really has to do with the fact that I don't print on gang sheets, so me not using the gang sheets made me not find this thing earlier. 12 just made it easier for people who wants to use gang sheet, but gang sheet builder is actually in version 11. If you didn't know, here it is. I didn't know it was there. I didn't know it was there, but I just found it. And if that's the case, the only reason why I want to upgrade now, the only reason why I see myself upgrading to 12 is to get the ICC profile builder, which is a color profile or something like that in 12. That's the only reason I think I'd upgrade to 12, just to get the ICC profile builder. I can't see any other reason why I'd want 12 at this point. Unless they bring the price of 12 down cheaper, then I might see myself buying 12. Or the other reason for me to buy 12 is I need the wide format. I don't have 11 to get the wide format, so I'd have to get 12 to get the wide format, which is the printers over 17 inches. So that's any printer over 17 inches would give me the wide wide format. So I'd have to get 12, get the wide format to get that feature. So let me get to the gang sheet builder thing. Hold on. So on Cadlink or Thinker, if you click Q manage Q, I'm not exactly sure why it's here, and I think that's why nobody ever found it before, because of where it's located. I didn't see it anywhere else. Let me see if I can find it anywhere else. Nope, it's nowhere else. I'm pretty sure you've seen it, but yeah, it's nowhere else. Tools, yeah, it's nowhere else. Files, nope, it's nowhere else. So, and if you click over here, it's not over here. See, it's literally nowhere. Print file. That's why you print the file. It's nowhere here. It's literally nowhere here. All right, so this is why nobody ever found it before. Or I've never, I personally haven't seen anybody show this, and then again, I really don't watch people on YouTube. I barely watch anybody doing this on YouTube, so I wouldn't even have the slightest flipping clue if anybody's doing this. So if you click on here, you click on Q Manager, and see, it's right there. Create a gang sheet. Again, I don't know if anybody noticed this was here. I'm not sure. I really don't know. I honestly can't say I know if anybody had shown you how to do this. But this is here. This is actually pretty cool. And it's the same exact gang sheet builder that's in 12. Same exact thing. And it's simply just click Add Folder. And you pick the folder you want. And it will bring all the files in. There's files actually sitting in this folder, but I don't know why there's. So select this folder, and then there, see, they're there. It brought them all in. 13 files total, and there is 13 files sitting in that folder. See, and it brought them all in. And if you click on them, you show the name of the file. But I don't know. I'm not exactly sure why it didn't. It's not. I think the 12 is a little bit better. I'm not, again, don't quote me on this. I think 12 actually shows you the pictures, whereas this one doesn't show you the image. This one don't show you the image at all, which is, it's fine, whatever. It is what it is. It still works for the best part. Block nests, enable sheet labeling. Yeah, so it will enable sheet. Yeah, I wanted to enable sheets, which is right over there. So enable sheet building. You can put in your name, put test in this one. You can add a file specifically, or you add the file, and then you hit create gang sheet. And then there it is. It's importing all the things. And it's building your gang sheet. This is absolutely awesome. I don't care who you are. I didn't, there it is, see, bringing in the images now. I didn't notice that this was a thing. Building my gang sheet. Building my gang sheet. And this is 11. This is Cadlink 11. See, right there, version 11. This is not 12. This is 11. All right, and it's building a gang sheet. That is absolutely crazy. Who would have known that Accurate 11 not Accurate, see, there's my gang sheet. Now the reason why you're not going to see a gang sheet here, because this is not a gang sheet. I don't have I actually don't have a role. I'm using an Epson 8550 for those who don't know. So you wouldn't actually see a gang sheet on here. But this is just to test the gang sheet thing. I actually have another one. Hold on. Let me delete this from here. Remove that. Perfect. Let me go to this role, because I do have one that says role. I'm testing a program, and I was supposed to message the person back, but I never did, on making a gang sheet, making a program that tests, that build roles. Now I just started bringing it in. Let me see what it does. After it's finished, wait for it to get done, and then I suppose I should be able to see this sheet over here now, because this is an actual role. This whole thing is a role. This is a role sheet queue. So I should see a gang sheet once this one is finished, and there it is. So that is, it really did populate like me a gang sheet. That is absolutely insane. It's not insane, but it's cool that Cadlink 11 actually has gang sheet builder, and I didn't even know. Oh, and my confidence strip. If you didn't know, Cadlink also does confidence strip, if anybody cared to know. But this is awesome. I really like that. I really like that. So while I'm sitting here messing with my computer, I just found out, I'm like, oh, let me show you real quick that you can actually make gang sheets in Cadlink 11 like that, which is absolutely awesome. The next time I'm gonna do, I have to learn more about it, because now that I know it can do it, I think I might want to space these things a little bit more and see if I can do it automatically. Space them, put a little space in between each one. If not, hey, it is what it is. But that feature is in 12 that made it easier to find. But yeah, it's right there in 11. So if you have 11, you don't have to buy 12 to get that feature. It's you already have it. Cool. So, on that note, peace.